Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a sun-kissed look. I have some new products to try out. I have been tanning, so I am going to be using a little bit darker of foundation, bronzers, etc. I recently got a new brush cleaner for my birthday, which was a couple weeks ago, I think 2 weeks ago, and once my brushes get a little dirtier, I'll be doing a review on it because it's an amazing product. I also dyed my hair darker, as you can see. Yeah, I apologize I haven't posted a video in a while. I've been pretty busy with work, and I do work 2 jobs, and being a mom, life gets kind of crazy sometimes, and I will be starting off with face first instead of eyes. We're going to mix it up. For primer today, I am going to be using the Pore Professional, and it is the Pearl Primer. I will be using the Medium Beige Tarte. I will be using the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24 Hour Foundation in the shade of Olive. Face is done. I don't know if it is that I just got a bad bottle last time, but this definitely is spreading a little bit more. And I know my face looks kind of dark because of my ring light, but it does match the rest of my skin. For concealer today, I'm going to be using the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. It's the Shape Tape one. I'm going to put that under my eyes in a triangle, blend it out, and then I'm going to go into contour. For contour, I am going to be using a little bit of this from the Tarte Pro Glow and Blush. And for highlight today, I am going to be using this middle shade from the Stila Little White Lies. It's called Yellow Tails. It's very pretty. I'll swatch a little bit. It's really pretty, very shimmery. It's hard to see with the ring light. I'm going to take a big powder brush and blend that all out. I'm not sure how much of that highlight y'all can see, but it's really pretty. Next, we are going to be moving on to eyes. I have a little bit of eyebrow powder on, but I don't really feel like doing my brows, so I'm not going to get like dip gel out and do them. Today we're going to be using the 35G Bronze Goals palette by Morphe. It's beautiful. I've been hunting it down and I finally got it. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be sticking with golds today, so I'm going to be using these four, if you can see that, these four right here. I am going to be using this one as a highlight, this one on my lid, and these two in the crease. And I will be using my usual Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. I am going to go ahead and do my mascara, eyeliner, and lashes off camera. I'm going to be using the usual Tartiste eyeliner. I have this small trial size of Superfan by Smashbox, and I've actually been wearing this as like an everyday mascara, and I'm pretty happy with it. It doesn't flake, it doesn't irritate my eyes, and it's been doing pretty good overall. Alright guys, we have our lashes on. Everything's done. You're just going to want to get some setting spray, spritz it all over, put on your favorite lip gloss, doesn't matter to me. Today I am using the Morphe in Froze. This is what it looks like. It's just a gloss. It's really pretty. And that's it. I like this shade because it's like a pink gold, very summery, very nice. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. And like I said, I will be putting out a video of my brush cleaner a little later once my brushes get a little dirty. This one is definitely getting there, so it's an awesome product. I forget the name of it, but I will definitely put it in that video when I get it posted. Thank you guys.